2.
Whereabouts?
Denman.
Yeah.
Oh, you got senior?
Start a weekend.
Oh.
And lane number 2, please.
Name number 2. Thank you. Danger, keep off the rocks. Well, we're waiting for our ferry and take little Bingo for a pee or something. Did he pee yet?
No, not yet. He's still smelling right now. But it's a beautiful day today.
Hey Bingo, look. Danger, keep off the rocks.
You better keep off the rocks, Bingo.
This is Buckley Bay and over there is Denman Island.
Very nice day today. I like these chairs. They're made out of cement. Very stylish. It's matching this pot here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
it's very cool.
Bingo. Look.
Hi, Bingo. Pukester.
Okay.
Your attention, please. We will be boarding shortly. We need all passengers to return to their vehicles, please. And we also need to ensure children are in their seats and buckled up. And a reminder that drivers are prohibited from using cell phones while loading. Thank you, and enjoy your Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.
And we are moving. And we are on Denman Island. Just getting off now. Getting off the ramp.